like smoked cheese. I know. Because then we can have like we can have like a hanging plant one. Jesus. Getting too excited about one little plant. Why would anybody want a lamp, like a light like that? It looks like a little face. It's a bit creepy. What you looking for?
Oh, no. House that you could do.
All the good goods. All of the good goods. Go on, muscles. Oh, you need to do it so nothing smashes mind. We've got too many breakables today.
Bought pebbles, we just went to the friggin'
beach. So we've had quite a successful trip. We've had quite a successful trip in the old IKEA. We've gotten a coffee table.
Jesus.
And a few bits which I'll show you anyway.
Mate, what are you trying to reverse here?
So we've done quite well.
Oh my god!
Alright,
get out. He's backing up his Boeing 747 jet in his car parking space. Jesus Christ almighty.
So we've been getting a few bits. We've getting more things like decorative things as well. We've getting some cute little bits.
Full landing.
So I'll show you when we get back to the house. But I've also got like
Jesus,
go
what
home, have some food. What?
Give me death stairs?
Well, if was she just giving me death stares?
I think she was, yeah. She was offering you out.
Why?
Dunno.
Why for? That's because I'm vlogging. That's what it is, because I'm vlogging. And because I'm talking my phone, they'll be like,
Right.
Alright, miserable.
It's my time.
Something from Argos. And then we'll be going home for food. Because I want a McDonald's, but Luke said no.
Yes, my dear. I'm not letting you out, mate. I've got right away, so stop looking like that, because I'll bite your nose off.
There's nothing better once you've been shopping. Having a cup of tea. And then I've got myself some of the dairy milk, cornflake, custard bites or whatever they're called. Well, gonna have to build this soon. Spot washbacks.
Right, that's the hard floor scrub.
Do you get loads of different heads like, or is it just the two? Oh my god. I'm going to try and build this coffee table, but please don't tell me this little bit of whatever this is my instructions to my coffee table. Instructions? Where are you? Oh, hell. I hope they're in there somewhere. I can see. They're there.
Well, fuck off.
Does it go with my little fingers? One on the bottom there? No. That's one. There you go. Was it now? 2 screws. Neutral. 2. Thank you very much, Le. I'm so excited. The only thing is, now I'm going to be buying all the things to put on it. Table is up. I can't wait until I get some new cushion covers and throws for the couch because they're irritating as something rotten. And then I just need to put all the different bits and bobs on. So I'm going to get some new cushion covers, throws, get the settee sorted. So then it all flows in together, but I'm happy I've got that all sorted now. So So we've got our little table now, and then looked at our little flowers. All happy. Yay.
Well, I don't know where it should be. I'll be able to check for you now.
He's getting way close to your face. Ta-da. He's done now. Good morning. Are you seeing the state of my hair? I'm going to the Metro Centre this morning. I'm up early because we're going for about 9 o'clock, and I'm not going to do a lot of makeup. I'm literally just going to do like a little bit. But I'm going to go downstairs first and make myself a cup of tea and feed these animals. Get that heating on. Wow. Tis cold. Tis cold. Right. Cup of tea. Charlie. He's like, he's still half asleep.
It's like, I'm fucking back here again. Last time I was in here all day.
Getting the maps out.
I'm not getting
Watch
lost.
this.
Oh, it's a small one. Normally they're like this big. Don't even know where we are now.
It's not saying you are here all because you moved it.
It's not what I'm telling you. You are here on the map.
Millie's cookies, the very best. So he's kicking it off. He's like, I want.
I'm the kind of person I want to buy it. Go walk.
Food time.
Put your hat on. Beautiful. You look like a little lady.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Aww. I like your hat. You're just waiting for your milkshake, right? It's a part of my life now. I have to vlog everything.
I was my milkshake, but I'm kicking off.
You're also probably the softest, but
But I'm kicking off.
crunchy. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, the Maxi.
Thank you.
very much.
Shit, sorry.
Unreal.
Oh, that is lovely. You want to like inhale the straw?
When they're thin on, they're like, you can't get a good. So I found some of these in the American candy shop in the Metro, so I'm going to try one because I've been dying to try them. I see them on videos all the time of people trying sweets, and when they're doing like mukbangs and stuff, sweets and things, so I'm going to try one. I think I might try the green one. You don't eat the wax, you just drink the stuff out of it. Do you want to try? No? I knew she wouldn't. So that little bottle there, I'm going to try. Oh, I don't really want to. I've seen loads of people eat that, like, try it. I'm going to go near the sink because if I don't like it, I'm going to spit it out. I'm going to try it anyway because I've been dying to try these. I've seen them loads, but they are not very nice at all. That's horrible. I'm happy that there was only like £1 or £2 because I don't even want to try the other ones now. I haven't really vlogged very well today, so I've been in the Metro Centre. I got up quite early, been in the Metro Centre with Jordan and Madison, and then I've been to my grandma's to see her for a little bit and see how she's doing. And then I'm just waiting for my mum because I've took her to the post office, and then I'm going to go to my mum's for a bit. And then I've got a pole class tonight, which is pole fitness. I did it was before lockdown, so it was a while ago, so I'm going to have to go back to basics. I really enjoyed it, and it's good for core muscles and basically toning, so I'm going to go do that tonight as well, so I'll video that. But honestly, I just feel like I've never had my phone out. I was just enjoying walking around the Metro Centre and having a look around. Oh, she's back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? What you sounded like? I just thought I would quickly show you what I've gotten from Zara, and it was this green top for going out in, and then I've just put these trousers on just to see what it would look like. But I'm not too sure. I would have heels obviously, but we'll see. Next outfit is from Primark. I still don't really know how to style it together, but then I've gotten these like purpley, they're like a violet, like it really looks washed out on the camera here, but they're like a comfy baggy at the bottom. What is it? Flares, Jesus. With this jumper, and I just thought like either tuck it into the side, so let's see. God, it's hard to do with one hand because this is my thing at the minute, like, yeah, I don't know, but I'm definitely feeling these. So this is, like I say, the other outfit. These leggings are a bit dramatic, but because they need to be. They've got like, can you see the shine? Get-go leggings there. But I've just tied my Gymshark top on, and these are leggings so I can stick to the pole. It absolutely kills your legs, so I thought get these leggings and then I'm going to be comfortable. It's not going to hurt as much. Pole time. Climbing up these bad lads.